In the lakeside fields, sun-filled waltzing trees resonate with sound and a newborn vibrancy. Smell the fresh cut grass, see the rolling tumbling weeds in the idyllic valley. Someone's picking a guitar, someone's having an epiphany. Under the moonlit stars, amid the midnight symphony, is where I get down on one knee and ask her if she'll marry me in the idyllic valley. Hear the brass band blowing, hear the horns from miles around. The land is breathing in rhythm, the mountain wears a misty crown. But you never feel the cold, you never get the feeling, no, in the idyllic valley. See the silhouettes are dancing, blowing currents through the air. Multitudes of feral faces do the 1,000-yard stare. No one ever comes down.